This is the elevator at Macy's at CoolSprings Galleria in Franklin, Tennessee. There's the elevator and restroom sign and another elevator and restroom sign right here. There's a store directory. And here we got an all original Montgomery Vector. Awesome. Buttons are right here. 3. Here we go. Here we are at 3. Right there, the executive offices. 1. 4,000-pound capacity. Here's a cat view. This is a very nice elevator. Watch the button go up. Here you're at 1. Take it up to 2. Here's your phone. Here you're at 2. There it goes, and that's it.